Navigating the world of credit cards can seem like a daunting task. With crumpled bills and shiny coins making way for plastic, building a strong credit history has never been more important. But like every tool, credit cards are best used with caution. Improper credit card habits can quickly lead to mounting debt. Today, we're unpacking the best practices for credit card use, ensuring you can swipe confidently without the fear of drowning in debt. Before you swipe, you need to understand the language of credit cards. From the annual percentage rate to balance transfers, understanding credit card terminology can be your first line of defense against debt. It's not just about using your credit card, but learning how to use it wisely. A credit card is not a free pass to overspend. Through careful budgeting and preemptive planning, you can make smart purchases that won't leave you in a debt pit. We'll show you how to set up a budget, plan your expenses, and use your credit card for purchases that will benefit you in the long run. Fee structures can turn a seemingly harmless credit card balance into a debt monster. Timely payments can help you avoid these pitfalls. Watch out for hidden charges, high interest rates, and late fees that can quickly add up. We'll give you some tips on keeping track of your deadlines. Quick fixes rarely last. Building good credit habits is a marathon, not a sprint. Investing time in understanding your spending habits, following a budget, and timely payments can ensure you stay debt-free. Remember, credit cards are not a problem, misused credit cards are. Today's efforts can pave the way for a financially secure future.